change of subject of formula. Let's learn how to change the subject of a formula or an equation. What does this mean? That is, whenever you are given an equation and you are told to make a particular letter the subject of formula, that means we are just to solve that equation to get that letter. Let's look at an example. Make V the subject of formula in the formula 1 over u plus 1 over v equals 1 over f. Now in this example, we are to make v the subject of formula. For us to do this, that is, we make sure that it is only v we are having at this side, that is, we are solving for v. Solution. We write the equation 1 over u plus 1 over v equals 1 over f. Recall we are trying to make v the subject of formula. To do that, v only has to stand on this side of the equation, on the left hand side. So any other thing attached to that left hand side, we remove it to the other side. So we have 1 over u attached to this side, so we remove it. And to do that, we have 1 over v equals what we have originally, 1 over f. And this is like plus 1 over u. When you cross the equal to sign, it changes sign and becomes minus 1 over u. Now here we have 1 over v equals the LCM here, that's fu. When you divide fu by f, you are left with u. U multiplied by 1, u, minus u. When you divide fu by u, we are left with f. So f multiplied by 1, f. Now here, we still need to make v the subject, not 1 over v. To do that, we just take the reciprocal of both sides. Take the reciprocal of both sides. That is, the numerator here becomes denominator, denominator here becomes numerator. So we have v over 1 equals, same thing to the other side, the denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator, fu over u minus f. And v over 1 is the same thing as just having v. So therefore, v equals fu over u minus f. And by so doing, we've made v the subject of the formula. Thank you.